This video is for anybody who has just replaced their spoke, as in the last video, and needs to check the tension using one of these spoke wrenches. This ring has numbers on it, as you can see, and as the numbers go up, the actual sizes get smaller, as in the table shown. Right, following on from a comment on the last video I made about replacing the spoke, all that's fine, but I did adjust the spoke tension using this key, and I'd just like to show you how I did that. It might not be conventional, but it worked, and the bike is perfect. So let me show you what I did. Right, as in the last video, the spokes are 2mm spokes, and the nipple is one that fits the gauge, well, fits the wrench at number 14. So in other words, 14. That fits in there properly. Right, the method I used was a tubular spanner, and basically keep to the spokes and just going around and then if you find one and it's a bit out of tune, move the wheel round and just check it. I'll say that one, it's a bit low pitch, so we'll tighten that up. Basically you tighten it up and then play the tune again. Actually my spokes are so good, and it's very close, so really I've already adjusted all my spokes. And that's why they sound, well, spot on in my view. Just to be clear, for some reason I can imagine it's the hub resonates differently depending on which side of the bike you are. So on this side of the wheel they make that sound, but on the other side they make that sound, so you end up with alternate, and that's the way to check it, is the sound's the same on the same side. But if you go one spoke at a time, obviously you're going from one side to the other side, but it's different on different bikes. So this one, for instance, can play a tune. And then if you get one with other types of spokes, I think these are thicker spokes, an altogether different tune. So that's it. The bike's perfect. All you need is this and this, and that's it. You just adjust it, and I've had no problems with it. I'll just show you the wheels as true now, since I've been riding it a few times, and there's no sound other than the wind and the road, and that's it. Show you the wheel and then you'll see. I'll just show you the wheel spinning. And as you can see, there's no wobble whatsoever. So as before, the bike is super, so we can go off riding again. Cheers! Perfect.